Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel back, and today I will tell you how to speak English in a fluent way. So if you start speaking English, if you are a beginner, then I will tell you the first thing you have to be read the book of English. You can start from the lower class. You can read English books of the one class or two class, because it's a very normal conversation between the people, and you will understand that you will not speak English fluently to learn to reading the book of the two and third books, but you can understand the moral of the story, what is conveyed in the books. Okay, so it is a very important thing, and first thing is reading the books. You can start from the lower class, is very important thing. And second, I will tell you the first reading. Second is the listening is also important, and you can start from the cartoons. If you think you are an adult, you can skip cartoon and you will go for the watch movie. You will not understand overall, because it's a two people conversation in the movie. But if you start from the cartoon, then you will understand how the conversation is happened to people's to cartoons. They are very simple way to speak English. In the cartoons you will listen that it is a very simple sentence, you can understand. Okay, then you can speak also. And after 1 week you can start any English movie. It is so important. First reading, then listening. You Then third thing is the writing. Okay, you can write your thing in a diary. Okay, just maintain one diary and write anyone, whatever is in your mind, whatever is going on the day. And what if you want to make financially independent yourself, you can write in the diary whatever is going on. Overall, the moral story is this: write anything in English. Okay, three thing. And fourth thing is thinking. And sometimes we thinking whatever is going on, I just thinking every people will think. Okay, not a it is today's generation people is overthinker, and you have to be use this thing in your skill way. If you are think any way, okay, then think in English. It is when you think, then send message your mind, then you have to be think in English. Then your overthinking is also will less, and you will think in English. Then whatever we speak in the day, it comes from our mind, and whatever we think, it goes to the mind. And when we goes to the mind, the thing, when we speak, then comes from the word. Then okay, so first thing, if you will read, then you will understand. Then when you learn, it goes to the mind. When you will think, it goes to the mind. And when you speak, from the mind come to your mouth the words. Okay, the fourth thing is speaking. Then you have to be speak is in English, and you will try just you. And if you will complete these things, then you will try to speak in a very fluent. And you can speak English fluently, but you cannot had a conversation if two peoples, then you will not speak English. Okay, speak English is important. Speak English you can learn, but to have a conversation to between in English is a complicated thing, because you have not to speak a thing, you have to be teach someone's what are you saying. You have to be understood that the people will understand your language, what you said. Okay, and you can try speaking English with the app. Many apps are there in the mobile app. Okay, you can go to the search and use these things. Ace Fluency is app where you can speak with a native English speakers. And you can record yourself on a video and post anything. And if you don't want to post anywhere, then you can listen whatever you say in the video. Then you will find out that what is your mistake is happening in the speaking English. Okay, then you will correct yourself. Is a very common thing. If you will see your mistakes, then you will try to figure out that thing, and you will not make a mistake in second times. And I have tell you today is the 5 tips to speak English. If you will follow, I'm sure you will have good speak English. You are not a fluent, will not be fluent, a lack of practice. If you will practice day by day, after 21 days, after 1 month, you can speak English a very politely and gently way. Okay, so first thing is reading, second is the listening, third is the writing, fourth is thinking in English, and fifth is speaking in any video. Thank you so much for listening me, and if you will follow, then you can speak English. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, still positive, and be happy. Bye bye, see you in the next video.